Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to access Google Scholar on your phone. Let's get started. First, open Safari or Google Chrome on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. In the address bar, at the top, type googlescholar.com and tap Go. You will now see the Google Scholar homepage. It looks similar to Google Search but is made for academic research. If you want to save research or create a profile, tap Sign in the top right and log in with your Google account. In the search bar, type in your topic. Now you will see a list of research paper, journal articles and citation. Each result shows the title, author and where it was published. Tap the article title to read more details. If a PDF or HTML link appears on the right, tap it to view the full text. For easier access in the future, tap the share button in the Safari and select add to home screen so Google Scholar is always one tap away. And that's it. You have just accessed Google Scholar on your phone and now can start exploring high quality academic research. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.